Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist here to help you, guide you, inspire you, motivate you, and set you on the right path for great successes in your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And today is a subject that is fond to my heart. Focusing on our breath. When stressed, take a moment to breathe. Yes, indeedy. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an all too common part of our lives. Whether it's juggling responsibilities with the family, work pressures, or personal commitments, we all face moments where stress can be totally overwhelming. For those following the ketogenic diet and lifestyle, or even those considering it, learning to deal with stress is critical and important. One powerful yet overlooked tool for managing stress is something we do every day without thinking, and that is breathing. So you might ask, why is breath important? Well, breathing is more than just a function in terms of keeping us alive and well. It has a profound connection to our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. When we're stressed, our breathing becomes shallow and rapid, sending signals to our brain that we're in danger, even if it's just an everyday challenge, causing the tension. This triggers the body's fight or flight response, increasing the cortisol levels, a hormone associated with stress. Focusing on your breath for just a few minutes can reverse this process. Deep, controlled breathing helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms the body and the mind. For anyone on the keto diet and lifestyle, this is especially important. Stress can interfere with ketosis by increasing blood sugar levels, which is counterproductive to the goals of maintaining a low-carb, high-fat lifestyle like keto. Now, breathing and ketogenic success. Let's talk about this in depth. The ketogenic diet relies on consistency, as we all know. Staying in ketosis requires a delicate balance of nutrition, hydration, and self-care. Stress, if not properly managed, can derail this progress. And certainly, elevated stress levels, everybody, like with cortisol, increased levels of cortisol can lead to sugar cravings, emotional eating, and difficulties maintaining ketosis. By focusing on your breath during stressful moments, you not only calm your mind, but you also help protect your body from sabotaging your keto journey. Taking a few moments to breathe deeply isn't just about lowering stress in the moment. It can be especially enhancing to your overall well-being on a continual basis. Many people find that after practicing breath work, they feel more focused, energized, and less likely to make impulsive decisions that could knock them out of ketosis and derail their weight loss progress. Let's talk about simple breathing techniques to try. If you're new to breath work, don't worry. There are easy techniques you can start using today, regardless of whether you've been doing keto for years or just considering it. Number one, my favorite, the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Breathe in quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times. This method quickly calms the nervous system and can be especially useful when feeling overwhelmed. Number 2, box breathing. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold the breath for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. And then pause for 4 seconds before starting the next inhale. It's a rhythmic grounding practice that brings your focus back to the present moment. And it's called box breathing. Number 3, mindful breathing. Simply sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on the sensation of your breath. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Set a timer for 3 to 5 minutes and let your mind settle as you pay attention to your breathing. Now, let's talk about making breath work a part of your keto routine. The beauty of focusing on your breath is that it can be done anywhere, anytime, whether you're preparing a keto meal, navigating a busy workday, or simply relaxing at home. Breath work can help you stay centered and focused. By incorporating mindful breathing into your daily routine, you not only reduce stress, but also support your overall health goals. The ketogenic lifestyle is more about just food. It's about taking control of your well-being, both mentally and physically. Next time you feel stressed, take a few minutes to focus on your breath. You'll be surprised how much calmer and more in control you feel, making it easier to stay on track with your keto goals. Remember, the journey is not just about what you eat, but also how you manage the challenges along the way. So take a deep breath. You've got this. And there you are. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for doing that. And again, this has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.